Happy week 8, kids. This week in science for third period, Monday and Tuesday are going to be taken up with map testing. You will be map testing with me in math for language arts for second period. And then on Tuesday, you are going to be taking the math test starting with me in third period. So you don't have any work to do on these days. If you finish your map test early, I'd go back and do any unfinished work or go on MobyMax. MobyMax is always a great way to spend your time. On Wednesday, you're going to be completing an ed puzzle that is going to continue your work on qualitative versus quantitative data. On Thursday, we're going to learn about dependent and independent variables, and you're going to be doing that in an ed puzzle. And then Friday, we're going to do a lab together using Pear Deck. So we're going to have some fun with that. We're going to learn a little bit about the characteristics of life. What does something have to be considered living? So it's going to be a fun week this week. Make sure to pay attention and do your best on your map test. Have a good one, guys.